center of the gravity is here. Pero, naaaning ang total amount of force downward. So, in-line na sila. When the ship is in the good condition, inline si center of the buoyancy o si center of the gravity. Nabali. Inline si center of the buoyancy and center of the gravity. But when the ship is in an unstable condition, kitahay mo ana siya, kitahay na wave niya mo ana siya. The center of the gravity will remain at the center, while the center of the gravity will remain at the center, while the center of the buoyancy will go here from B to B1. Meaning ana, ning move siya. Nganong ning move man siya? Pag ana sa ship, naadiri ang force, naani ang weight sa ship. Naani naman ni water. Naani ang weight sa ship. So therefore, si buoyancy is ning move siya here for it to uplift the vessel. Kay og naara si buoyancy here per me, nga uban sila ni gravity, o nya wala siya ning move si buoyancy here, possible nga moana si ship. So mauna si buoyancy is ning dung siya diri kung ning move si ship para ma-uplift niya og dili ma-unload si ship. The same thing sa pikas. Kung mungana na po si ship, si buoyancy from B1 mubalik siya ni B to B2. Kay ani na po siya mangusog kay para dili malimbarok si vessel. When we talk about the importance of the center of the buoyancy, it moves as the ship and inclines of terms affecting stability. Yeah. So, the importance of the center of the buoyancy when moves as the ship's inclines or trims affecting stability. So, ang important ni center of the buoyancy, kung maapektuhan gani ang ship stability, naa siya mo sunod para dili siya mo dayon. As I've said ganina, if the ship is in the normal condition, they are in line with the center of the gravity and the center of the buoyancy. But when the ship is in unstable condition, siya, the center of the buoyancy will move here. That indicates as a support for the ship will not be sunk. Then, the center of the gravity will remain in here. Naradyo na siya permi diri kay naman di ang total weight. Pero gani og kung move si ship here like that, mudong ang kabugaton ni ship here sa kilid. That's why center of the buoyancy will go here kay para dili siya ma-unload. In this juncture, we will be talking about the metacenter height, and the right arm. When we talk about the metacenter, kung ang ship kini is nakatagilid na, as I told you before, this is the center of the gravity and the center of the buoyancy. Then, the metacenter is in here, in line na sila tulo. But when the ship is in this position, the center of the buoyancy is here. And the center of the gravity is here, but still center of metacenter is still here. When we talk about the metacenter is the point where the line of buoyant force vertical through intersects the original vertical center line with the ship tits. Meaning, we can determine metacenter kung mupas siya through vertical line in its original line. Muna yung original line. Pero, mailhan na to sa metacenter kung inline si buoyancy 1, B1, and metacenter. Magtungod sila. Mauna si metacenter. When we talk about the metacenter height, it talks about the distance between the center of the gravity and the metacenter. When we talk about metacenter height, the distance between the center of the gravity and the distance of metacenter. It is the key measure of a vessel stability. Mo na siya ang ani na to makita si ani atong ang metacenter height mo ni ang measure ni center of the gravity and ni metacenter. Distance nila both. Kay kung sa metacenter mo pass through na siya vertical line sa yang original, meaning mo ni ang original nya kita nagana na si buoyancy 1 here mo inline dapat si metacenter ug si buoyancy si B1. Kay if dili na sila ma-inline mo ana, meaning ana the ship loses its balance or stability. So when we talk about metacentric height, it is the distance between center of the gravity and the metacenter. The larger GM means the greater stability but result in a stiff and uncomfortable roll. Kung basta ko ang GM, meaning niya okay ang stability pero medyo kuan siya gamay, dili siya comfortable na mo roll. But a small GM makes the ship less stable, leading to excessive rolling. No, kung gamay ra ang GM niya, less stable siya, meaning ana anytime pwede siya mo ana. Pero excessive siya sa rolling, medyo dali lang siya gamay maana. Proper GM ensure the balance between stability and comfort. To access or to have the safe and efficient operation at sea, metacenter and metacenter height and the center of gravity and center of the buoyancy should have the balance for it. Para mas stable ang ship. Now, let's talk about the right arm. It is the horizontal distance between the center of the gravity and the vertical line through the center of the buoyancy when the ship is inclined. Meaning ana, the right arm is, for example, man is si center of the buoyancy, man is si metacenter, center of the gravity and center of the buoyancy. Ang tawag nato nila duha metacentric height, distance between metacenter and center of gravity. Kung naging si B1 here, then mo inline siya ni metacenter, that is what we call metacenter. But when the right arm, it is the distance between the original line and this one nga ning surpass nga nag-connect sa metacenter ug ni B1. Kung pila ang distance both line, mauna siya ang right arm. What is the importance of right arm? It provides the greater righting moment to return to the ship to an upright position. Yan na. If ang important niya, kung sakto ang distance nila both, pwede siya makatabang nga mabalik na to sa ship into the current position. But kung dili gani, kung bigger gani ang distance nila, nga na kintay, meaning ana, maglisod si right arm, nga ibalik si ship here. Kay, pag nasubraan na ka nga na ang ship, mo overflow na ang water, meaning ani, the more water will overflow in this side, the greater possibility that the ship will like that. So, it is important to know the distance and to have the perfect distance for it to achieve the stable or the stability of the ship. And summary, para dili na ta maglibog, metacenter reference is reference to the point. Metacentric height is a measurement of initial stability. And righting arm is a lever that generates the restoring force to bring back the ship upright. liver na siya. Kaya para nagbakwi ni mo adto, dahil mana siya. For example, like that. Inig ka ng writing arm, important siya kay animal na to kung stable na babalik sa ship. Kaya inig ka babalik na to sa ship sa its position, dapat ma-inline siya. So yes, those are the factors in maintaining the ship stability. They are very important for us to have the safest and efficiency navigation and operating at sea. So diri na lang ko taman. That would be all. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. God bless us all to love us like a sailor.